In this video, I'm going to show you how to send friend request on Telegram. Now, say for example, you are messaging or there is someone that you want to add as a friend, but you don't know his number. You do know his username though. Here is how you can do it. First things first, we're going to go ahead and tap on this three vertical line, head over to contacts, and then we're just going to tap the search button here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and type here the person. All right, that is the username of that person, and say for example that's a profile. I can just go ahead and click on that over there, and then what you're gonna do is just tap on the name, and you should be able to see here the option to add him to your contacts. Now apart from that, you can also just go ahead and tap on the new contact button right here, and then you're just going to fill in everything. So you have the first name, the last name, which is optional, and then the mobile number. After doing so, just go ahead and tap create contact, and you are done. And that, everybody, is how you are going to send friend request on Telegram.